Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC using an emulator. You can enjoy the game on a larger screen, enhancing your tactical advantage and aiming precision. Choosing the right emulator is the first crucial step for a seamless experience. We recommend emulators known for their robust performance and compatibility, ensuring smooth gameplay. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making setup straightforward and enjoyable. After selecting your preferred emulator, navigate to its official website for a secure download. The installation process is generally straightforward, requiring you to follow a few simple on-screen instructions. Double-check your computer's specifications to ensure it comfortably supports the emulator for the best experience. Allocate enough storage space, perhaps 5 GB, to accommodate the software and game files. This prepares your system for the next steps. With your emulator ready, open it and locate the built-in App Store, which is similar to a mobile device's App Store. Search for PUBG Mobile and initiate the download and installation process directly within the emulator. Once installed, log in using your existing PUBG Mobile account or easily create a new one. Remember to grant any requested permissions to ensure the game functions perfectly. On the next screen, you will see a list of all user accounts currently on your console. Select the specific account you want to delete from this list. A critical warning message will appear, detailing all the data that will be permanently removed. Read this carefully to ensure you understand the implications. Confirm your decision by selecting Delete once more. The system will then process the account removal, which may take a few moments before the console restarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.